Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discovery Go on Fire TV, quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Discovery Go on your Fire TV, first, ensure that your Fire TV device is connected to the internet. From the home screen, navigate to the search icon at the top left corner. Type in Discovery Go using the on-screen keyboard. Select the Discovery Go app from the search results. Once on the app page, click on the Get or Download button to install it. Wait for the app to download and install on your Fire TV. After installation, return to the home screen and locate the Discovery Go app. Click on the app to open it. You will be prompted to log in with your TV provider credentials. If you don't have a TV provider, you may need to create an account with one to proceed. Once logged in, you'll receive an activation code displayed on your screen. Now, on a separate device, open a web browser. Go to the activation website provided in the app. Enter the activation code you see on your Fire TV screen. Once entered, click on the Submit button. You may need to log in to your TV provider account again on this device. After successfully linking your account, return to the Discovery Go app on your Fire TV. You should now have access to all available content. Enjoy watching your favorite shows on Discovery Go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.